Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all of you. I am Dalia Hendy, the VP of Secure Power Division for Gulf countries at Schneider Electric. I am really pleased to be with you today. Before I start, please remember that 20 years ago, we haven't thought that we will be video chatting with each other over a screen today. And with the acceleration of technology since, let's try to imagine what it would be like in 5 to 10 years to come. To start, allow me to share some global statistics with you. By 2025, which is a blink of an eye from today, there will be 80 billion connected devices that will generate 180 trillion of data gigabytes. And companies will spend a lot. We're talking billions, $232 billion on artificial intelligence to cater and manage this data. By the end of 2020, if not already started, organizations' budgets will be diverted to spend more on the emerging technologies that will help them make the best there is for their business natural. Also, globally, half of the enterprise customers will be utilizing those technologies, especially on the machine learning, robotics process automation, and artificial intelligence over the coming 5 years. These technologies are highly dependent on low latency and high bandwidth. At Schneider Electric, we have designed our best-in-class edge solutions, starting from a very simple form for a micro data center that can fit at any given operational working space. Let's get a little bit closer to the edge computing. There will be the enterprise money spent over the next decade. Taking a deeper look at the edge computing ecosystem, let's see the three main pillars that relies on this. The first pillar is technology, the 5G networks, which we are increasingly witness it being rolled out across the Middle East and Africa. The second pillar is the solution itself, where today, proud to say that Schneider Electric has launched the micro data center that consists of 2 or less racks and will contain either a massive amount of computing power, storage, or both, and designed to operate in a plug-and-play mode. Micro data centers are one of the core essentials to the cloud-based data center architecture. They reduce latency, add redundancy in a hybrid cloud environment. Micro DCs are also the key to achieving the 5G's speed and will boost latency to reach less than 1 millisecond. Moreover, when the 5G is captured within the micro DC, it can deliver instant seamless communication and interaction with your smart apps, digital assets, customer-facing platforms, and many more. It will keep on discovering more use cases and benefits as the enterprise customers will keep on seeking more and more. Finally, the third and a very important pillar is the go-to-market, our channel partners and resellers, you. Software and services will become equally critical, if not more, than the hardware required by the transforming customers. The leading system integrators will focus on developing solutions that are addressing the customer-centric needs. Working together along with you, we must thrive to bring on new recurring revenues, streams, and new ways to add value in order to attract and retain such customers. As we have defined the edge computing ecosystem success pillars, we can now talk about the top 3 challenges that comes with it. The first is the compliance regulations that are under discussions among countries and authorities. The second is designing the solution by listening more to our customers, their needs, to cater and enable them to manage their edge networks, which are at large, unstaffed and distributed across large geographies. The third and last challenge, from my view, is our end customers, the personas of the buyers, and the decision makers, who just will not remain at the IT roles. It will include the business level in the decisions. The discussions will no longer be over negotiating hardware or software, but rather application-specific and integration of use cases that resolves a business pain or need. By now, I hope that I have succeeded to deliver an overview on the potential opportunities ahead of us, and would like to add that the revenues that will be generated via the cross-selling, the upselling behind these opportunities is a must-happen, simply because edge deployments will require additional security, management, and service deployment. Security, as an example, can come in multiple forms. Could be as simple as installing door locks to implementing a full surveillance solution, along with environmental monitoring of potential security threats. At the management level of the edge computing assets, implementation of remote cloud-based applications to monitor and maintain multiple microdata centers will be required. Generally, remote systems will be required to manage the full life cycle of the distributed assets. In regards to the deployment, our channel partners should be enabled to develop the best-in-class microdata center solutions and by application to fit in at any office space, facility, outlet, warehouse, a plant, or any other. Partners will be required to invest in the upskilling of their teams and their learning to integrate edge solutions within the existing IT/OT setups. In summary, Schneider Electric, proud and excited and prepared for what both our customers want to achieve. When it comes to the edge computing, and given the speed of digital transformation, we believe that 2021 will be the mainstream year for edge computing. Haven't we noticed all that technology talks were very excessive in 2020 about artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, cloud computing, and augmented reality? It has been quite excessive. These applications will drive the potential transformation of how we will operate the business moving forward. The 5G will change forever the digital landscape, and it will lead us into a new era named as Industry 4.0. To all our partners, be ready, get set, assuring you our highest level of support during this journey. And lastly, the question to those who are watching me today is, are you ready for the edge computing opportunities ahead of us today? I hope you are. Thank you all for your time. Stay connected and stay safe.